We all know that Facebook is one of the biggest social media networks in the world and how important it is for businesses to have a presence on this platform. One feature on Facebook that can help business owners get ahead is Facebook reviews, but it can be a struggle to encourage people to leave reviews on your Facebook page. That's why in this video, I'll show you 5 different ways to get more Facebook reviews so you can collect feedback and turn interested shoppers into paying customers. Let's get started with number 1. Number 1, make sure to enable Facebook reviews on your Facebook page. While on your Facebook page, if you have your reviews enabled, you should see your reviews down here, as well as in the tabs up at the top here. To enable your reviews, on the left-hand side, click on Settings, then click on Privacy, and click on Page and Tagging. Here you should see a setting that says Allow other users to view and leave reviews on your page. Toggle this on like this, and now if you head back onto your Facebook page, you should see we now have reviews displayed right inside our intro. And you'll also notice that we have a dedicated Reviews tab here that we can select like this, and it will show you all the reviews you've collected on Facebook from your customers and page visitors. Number 2, promote your page on other social media platforms. If you're posting on other platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, you can ask your followers to leave you a review on Facebook. Or you can even request reviews by asking for one through your stories, posts, and even DMs. And on YouTube, you can even leave a short clip asking viewers to leave a review on your Facebook page. These simple requests can be enough to encourage your customers to go leave a review on your Facebook page. Number 3, embed Facebook reviews on your website. One easy way to ask your customers to leave a Facebook review is by embedding your Facebook reviews on your WordPress website. When people see great reviews that you've highlighted on your website, it will show them how happy customers are enjoying your products or services and may encourage them to get involved and leave a review themselves. This works especially well for reviews that include visual content like photos and videos, because customers will be eager to have their content featured. To embed Facebook reviews on your WordPress website, you can use the Smashballoon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. This plugin lets you easily create a beautiful and responsive Facebook reviews feed with just a few clicks. All you have to do is install the plugin, activate your license key, and connect your Facebook page to the plugin. Then you can choose a layout you like, customize your feed, and embed it to any page, post, or widget on your WordPress website. If you want to check out Reviews Feed Pro, you can visit smashballoon.com. I've left a link for you in the description of this video. Number 4, add a call to action on your website. Your website is where most of your customers would go during the buying process, so you can simply add a call to action asking for Facebook reviews. You can add a link, image, or button anywhere on your site to ask for these reviews. Or if you're using Reviews Feed Pro, you can even add a call to action like this to your sidebar or footer as well. People who visit your website can see your call to action and click on it to go leave a review on your Facebook page. Number 5, send email invitations to recent customers. It can be easy to forget about email when social media is first on everyone's mind. However, email still has a massive advantage over social media, since people on your email list are always ready to open your message and take action on what you say. So you can easily use your email list to get more Facebook reviews. Just filter your subscriber list to only include recent customers and send them an email asking for a Facebook review. You can even sweeten the deal by offering a discount for doing so. If you want to grow your email list, you could consider adding a pop-up form on your website offering exclusive content and deals. The easiest way to create these pop-up forms is with OptinMonster, the best list building software for collecting email addresses from your website visitors. If you want to check it out, you can click the link in the description of this video. And these have been our 5 ways to get more reviews for your Facebook page. Try these out and let us know in the comments if they work for you. If you want even more tips, head over to our blog post to learn more about getting Facebook reviews for your business. I've left a link for our post in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.